Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn any normal photo into a cute doll style image using AI. It's no complicated editing, no design skills needed, just Pixverse AI. So let's get started. First, just open Pixverse. You can access it using the websites or the mobile app like this. Both work the same. And then next, just log in into your account. And if you are new here, don't worry, Pixverse will offer daily free credit so you can try this effect for free. And then after logging in, just go to template sections. This one, just tap on template and then just tap on search bar and then just search for Gamify everything. This one, this effect, and then just tap on it. Like this. This is the template that creates the glossy, soft doll-like look like this. And then next just tap on use template and then just simply upload your photo. Just choose a clear photo with good lighting for the best result, for example like this. And then after that just tap on create. It will take 30 credits. Just tap on it and go back, go to mine and wait for the process. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. Here's the final result. Your photo now looks like a cute glossy doll similar to a vinyl origami toy figure. It's so cute. I think it's so cute. And then next, if you like it, you can just simply download or save the image to your device. And okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.